we will undertake concerning the matter, and this is a matter of urgent necessity that we should be able to do within a few minutes from now.
News na po.
San Philip Salvador, pero hindi kami nakapasok.
Naalis ko na po si President Rodrigo Duterte sa ICC. Ito sa airport ata ito. Ito po si
actions that we will undertake concerning the matter, and this is a matter of urgent necessity that we should be able to do within a few minutes from now.
Ito po yung abogado ni
He is
Pastor Tiburon.
He is okay so far, and a while ago I was informed that he was read his rights under the 1987 Constitution. He was properly informed by, I don't know if it was proper, but he was informed by General Torre of his rights as an accused. And binasa po sa kanya ata yung warrant na galing sa ICC. And yun, so far, ang nangyari a few minutes ago, doon po sa loob. May pinapadala po sa akin. May pinapadala sa akin si Attorney Martin Beltra, and I have yet to see it. It was just sent to me 5 seconds ago, and I have to look into it. I have not even read it because I have to inform the public through you. Yes.
So, ayun po, sundan po natin ang mga news ngayon sa Pilipinas dahil headline po ang pag-aresto ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. So, ito lang po dahil isip ako, going work po ako, nakakaawa. Matanda na po kasi para mag 80 years old na siya by this month ba? Yung birthday niya. Birthday ni President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. So, ito lang po. Sana po hindi siya matulog.